How to send stickers on WhatsApp and how to save them and add stickers to favorite on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send stickers and save WhatsApp stickers and add them to favorite. Now, to do so, first what you need to do is open up the WhatsApp here and head into any chat that you want. Now you can send a sticker by simply tapping on the emoji icon, and here you'll be able to find all the stickers. Now simply tap and you'll be able to send stickers. Now to save or download stickers, what you need to do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen that you can see, and then you'll find all stickers here. You can tap on download and it will be downloaded, and you can find your my stickers on your my stickers right here once you download it. To save a particular sticker to your favorite, what you want to do is simply tap on the sticker, whether it be sent sticker or received stickers. Just simply tap on the sticker and you'll get the option to add to favorites. Simply tap on add to favorites and your sticker will be added to favorites. Now to find your favorite stickers, what you need to do is simply open up the stickers option here by tapping on the emoji, and then you'll find a little star icon. Simply tap on your star icon and you'll find all your favorite stickers that you have added the stickers to your favorite list on here. So this way you can send stickers on WhatsApp, save WhatsApp stickers and add stickers to favorite. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.